sunny day at the beach with a group of cute animal friends. The kids fill the splashing sandcastles and dancing waves. Each verse introduces a new beach activity.
Bright morning sun rises over the ocean. A colorful beach bus arrives with characters popping out, wearing hats, sunglasses, floaties. We're heading to the beach, hooray! Time to splash and laugh and play. Kids, animals build huge sandcastles, dig tunnels, and bury a friend up to the neck safely. Crabs and seashells join the fun,
Digging in the sand so deep, making castles tall and steep.
everyone does a silly beach dance, leaving arms like seaweed, wiggling toes in the sand.
Flashing colors, lots of joy. Sandy toes in the sunny nose. Wiggle your feet wherever it goes.
Jumping over waves, floating on pool rings, spotting dolphins and starfish. A big ball flies through the air, waves go splish and waves go splash. Chase the bubbles in a dash.
Everyone gathers for a picnic, fruit, lemonade, and ice cream.
Seagulls sneak a snack, snack time now, we're feeling great, sharing treats upon our plate.
Sunsets as they all sit on towels, watching the colors in the sky. Final dance under string lights.
Sandy toes and a sunny nose, we'll come back when the warm wind blows.